Yes, very good morning, dear students. Last class we have discussed about the mean, median, and mode. It's a very important for the exam point of view. 14 marks questions. Definitely, it will appear in the final exam, even 6 marks also. So, in the previous class, already we discussed what is a mean, what is a median, what is a mode, what are the formula of that. Just let me say once again, I brief that the mean formula under the mean, median, mode, there are three series. One is the individual series, discrete series, then continuous series. Under the we have to find the mean, median, mode under the individual series or ungrouped data. The formula is x bar is equal to sigma x divided by small n. Small n is the number of variables. If you go for the discrete, x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. N is the capital N. I mean number of frequency. Again, the continuous series formula is x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. Now come to the discrete. Now we'll go for the median. What is the median formula? The median formula under the individual series, the very simple. If the n value is, if the n value is odd number, then the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. If the n values are even 2, 4, 6, whatever that is n divided by 2. Odd means 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7. These are all the odd number. If the odd number, n plus 1 divided by 2, and if the n number is even, n plus n by 2 term. Then go to for the, what is the discrete under the median, n plus 1 divided by 2 term, capital N. Again, under the continuous, there is a formula. What is that? N by 2th term, okay? Under that, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. Cf is the cumulative frequency, okay? F is the frequency, I is the differences between the class intervals. Okay, let us move to the very important mode. Mode under the ungrouped or individual series, mode is equal to, right, maximum number of the values are repeated. Then under the discrete, the very simple formula, the maximum frequency, that is what modal class. After that, then we will move to the, which one? We'll move to the, what is that, mode. Means mode is nothing but a maximum frequency, okay? Under that, mode is denoted by z. Z is equal to n plus, z is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into I. Okay, f1 means, what is that? F1 is nothing but a frequency of the modal class. F0 is nothing but a preceding the frequency of modal class, right? F2 is nothing but a succeeding the modal class of frequency class. This is the formula of mean, median, mode for all the methods. Okay, last class already we have discussed. Today I am going to discuss the very important one more problem based on the continuous series. Once we'll brief this, then again we'll let us move to the inclusive method, another method which is comes under the mean, median, mode under the continuous series. Okay, now I am sharing my screen today. I'm screening my, okay, share. I'm screening the share. Okay, I hope everybody is, I think you're understanding. Okay, Varsha, I think you are listening, right?
Yeah, sir, listening, sir.
Fine, fine, fine. I have unmuted for you only. Just a
Yes,
minute.
sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, that question number, okay, 6, find the mean, median, mode under the continuous series. Dear students, just you can, Varsha, kelta ideyala?
Sir, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ sir.
Fine, 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 fine. If it is any disturb, please raise your hand. X
Yes,
is
sir.
but this is a what class interval. We can call X, or we can call this is a CI. I mean class interval. This is what 100 to 90, 90 to 80, 80 to 70, 70 to 60, 60 to 50, 50 to 40, 40 to 30. And frequency they have given 7, 16, 47, 80, 63, 19, and 8. See here, is it any order class interval? Absolutely, there is no order in the class interval, one frequency also. Here, that's why we have to arrange the proper order. proper order of the class interval. Here, which is the minimum? 30, maximum 100. So we can take it here. You can first rearrange the class interval. I mean 30 to 40, whatever you can take it first. 30 to 40. Look at here, 30 to 40. That you can take it. That is x. I mean x, instead of x you can take it ci. Okay, ci. I mean class interval 30 to 40. What is the frequency of 30 to 40? 8. That you can take it. In the same time, next one 40 to 50. The frequency is 90. So like that you have to take it, so on. Okay, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, like that. 90 to 100. Last one is 90 to 100. 7 is the frequency that you have to take 7, because the calculation is simple, calculation is easy, but how to rearrange the class interval, that is very very important. Okay guys, so now f frequency, class interval, okay, a frequency also got it. Now we have to find out the midpoint or mid value, that is x. What is the x midpoint value? Here we know that how to find out the mid value of midpoint or x value. 30 to 40, 30 plus 40, 70, 70 divided by 2, 35. Obviously you will get 35 is the answer. Again 40 to 50, 90, 90 divided by 2, 45. That is so on. We have to calculate. This is what x, right? In the continuous series we must know, we must find the x value, because here they will not give any x value, but in the individual and discrete series directly they will give x value, but in the continuous series they will not give any x value. Because of that reason we have to find out the midpoint or mid value, that is what x. How to find out the x value we know. Now we will go for the mean. What is the mean formula? Before solving any problem we have to write the formula. The mean formula is x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n. We want to find out fx here. F value, frequency already is there, midpoint all which you found here, x fx. Fx 8 into 35, 280, 19 into 45, 855. That remaining calculation is as it is. Okay, we have to continue this one. Totally will get fx value is 15,350. 15,350 is the fx value. That n is equal to 90. I mean 90. This is the total frequency. Total frequency. Now the mean formula is x bar. Sorry, bar is not there here. X is equal to sigma fx divided by n. Sigma fx is to the value 15,350 divided by n 90. That is, I mean, oh, that is I think this is we can total this one 8. Varsha, you can calculate 19 8. Do you have
1
calculator?
second, sir.
Do you
Yes,
have
sir.
calculator?
Yeah, sir. I'm having
8 19 60 the
8
63
plus 19.
8 19
Okay.
63 80
Okay.
47 16 7.
240, sir.
Yeah, 240, right? I think we have written here 90. I think that is a wrong.
Yes, sir.
That's why you have to take care of everything. Okay, 240. Okay, of course, that the answer is
Okay,
same.
sir.
Okay, n is equal to 240. That's why I got that out. That's why I asked you. Okay, thank you, Varsha. Yeah, the x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by n.
It's okay, sir.
What is the fx value? 15,350 divided by n is equal n is nothing but
350.
I mean f frequency, number of frequencies 240. That 240 here answer is 63.95, almost 64 is the mean value. After that, let us move to the median. If you want to calculate the median, you must find out the CF. Before solving any problem, you have to write the formula. What is the formula of median? Median is equal to n by 2 term. Okay,
N by
median
2.
is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F. CF is the cumulative frequency. Okay, F is the frequency into I. I is the what? I is a class interval. Okay, this is what in the median. Now let us move to the median. See, already we found the CF here. Look at here, all of you guys. CF. Either you can find out CF here, or you can take one more table also. That is left to you. Here CF, how cumulative frequency means what are the frequency? First frequency you can take it as it is. That remaining frequency now that we have to add for the first frequency. 8 plus 19, 27, 27 plus 63, 19. This is so on. This is what cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, what we got. Okay. Based on that, we have to solve the problem. What is that median formula? Already we told n divided by 2 means n is nothing but 240 divided by, don't do it problem, that's scratch it. Okay. Median is equal to n by 2 means 240 divided by 2, I mean answer is 120. What is answer? 120. I think
120.
yeah, I think here nobody is 420. I think that's why answer is we got 120. Fine, thank you. Okay, 120 is the answer. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F. N by 2 already we know 120, that we can take it here. Lower value of the median class, that I will show you once again. Lower limit of the median class yavado 60. Our
60.
see, our 65 is right. 65 is our I mean median class, that we have to take care this one. Okay, this we have to select it. This one you don't select, I will show you now. Okay, this one is, so that's why lower value is 60, then L is nothing but 240 divided by 2, 120 minus CF cumulative frequency. Now here see we have selected this area alva. So ಈ ಏರಿಯಾಗಿಂತ ಹಿಂದೆ preceding the C ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು value ಅನ್ನ 90, that we have to take it 90. Okay, I'll show here 90, then divided by F, frequency is 80. Where it is 80? Frequency here, right? That maximum frequency we can take it here, guys. So we got it frequency 80, okay, into 10. 10 is the class interval between the value, class interval difference. Now you can take it as it is 60, then 120 minus 90, 30 divided by 80 into 10. Okay, as it is 60, you can take 30 divided by 80, 0.375 into 10. Okay, 60 as it is, you can take it plus 0.375 into 10, 3.75. The median is 63.75. Almost it's a 64. Of course, we got the mean value, median value also. Let us move to the mode. Before solving any problem, again I tell you the formula of mode. Mode is denoted by Z, right? Modal class is equal to maximum frequency. Then mode is equal to, I mean Z is equal to L plus F0 minus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. See, F1 is L means lower limit of the class interval. Fine. F1 means preceding the frequency of modal class. F0 is frequency of the modal class. F2 is succeeding the frequency of modal class. That we have to take it here. Which is the highest frequency? First we have to find out. Modal class is equal to maximum number of the frequency. Which is the maximum number of the frequency here? Dear students, look at here. Yes, 80 is the maximum frequency, that we have to select it. Okay, 60 to 70, that area I have to select. Okay, here you can see, you can see here, this is the here where it is. Yes, 80 is the maximum frequency. ಈ 80 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನೇಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ F1, this is what F0, this is what F2 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, that we have to take care. Okay, just let us move here. I'll show how we can calculate it. Number of n is equal to 240 already know. Maximum frequency we have taken, that is already we know that L is nothing but a 60. Where it is 60? Let me show once again. Our students are very brilliant, I know. Again I'm showing you. Okay, 60. Here we have the maximum frequency 80. No, this area we have to select it, guys. Where it is? This area. Okay, 80 is the 60 is the lower limit of the value. This is F1, this is F0, this is F2. Okay, is the modal class of the frequency. Okay, preceding the value modal class of the frequency, preceding the frequency of modal class, succeeding the frequency of modal class, that you have to take care. Again I will not come back. Okay, 80 F0 for F1, 63 F0, 47 F2. That value I have taken here. Where it is? Okay, F1 minus formula is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. 60 I have taken, F1 80 already I showed you, 63 F0 already I showed you. Okay, already I think you have started someone, Sharat Antar, they are writing. Okay, leave it, not an issue. Okay, 60, okay, 80 minus 63 divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2 into F1 is 80, F0 is the 63, F2 is 47. That we have to take the value according to the formula into 10. Okay, guys, then 60 as it is, you can take it. Then 80 minus 63, 17. Okay, then 2 into 80, 160. 63 as it is, you can take. 47 as it you can take, and into 10. 60 plus 17 divided by that 50, if you calculate minus it now, that 50 will get it into 10. 60 plus 17 divided by 50 is equal to 0.34 into 10. Okay, 60 as it is, you can take it, plus 0.34 into 10 is nothing but 63.4. Mode is equal to 63.4. Answer is almost 63 answer. Okay, in the mode, median, and mean, median, mode, we got the 63.5, I mean 64 values what we got in the we got the same answer in mean, in median, and mode under the continuous method. Here guys, already we have solved this is the third problem which I am solving in the mean, median, mode under the continuous series. But here we have to understand, okay, in the class interval they have not, say, before concluding this problem, okay, what they have given in the problem. In the problem, first we have to check it, ci have they given proper order. If they have given proper order, then you can take it as it is. If they have not given the proper order or ascending or descending, if it is there, you can take it in a proper manner, which is the lowest, which is the highest. Here 30 is the lowest, 100 is the highest. 30 to 40, 40 to 50. The 30 to 40, that class interval 8, that has to take. Don't take it 7. Okay, 30 to 40, that is a f value. 40 to 50, that is the f value, that we have to take it. Okay guys, this is very important. Once you get clear class interval, then f I can take it. Then we have to find out the mid value. After that, fx, then fx, this is for mean. For mean, it will help to find the mean. Cf, it will help to find the median, and mode is the number of maximum frequency that is here. Okay, you can make it mean separate table like this up to here. I'm showing you. If you want to find out the mean, right, you have to find out this one. Again, if you want to find out the median, you have to take this one. But here, no, where it is fx, that you don't take it. Okay, don't take fx in a median. Then in the mode, the very simple, f is equal to that maximum frequency, that you have to take care. You have to make the separate table for the mean, you have to make the separate table for median, you have to make the separate table for mode, or we have to do it in a one format or one table that is left to you. Okay, this is a very, very important for the 14 marks. Based on this, another 5 methods like inclusive method, which we are doing now. Okay, next one is the less than, then more than, and grouping method, then finally graph method. Out of that, they may ask 114, 16 marks, and even sometime they may ask 214 also. We don't know, but we should ready for that. But this is the basic method for each and everything. Okay, now I am stop sharing. Just I want to interact with you. Hello. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Are you listening? Are you
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
listening? Okay. I think all of you understood the concept what I taught.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I taught understood.
Yes, sir.
Who is this Yashu Tej?
So Tejasvi IM.
Huh?
Tejasvi IM.
Okay. Are you with BBA? Right?
What?
No. Are you BBA
No,
student?
sir, our class.
Oh, you are our class
She's
only.
become here.
She's our class, sir.
Oh, okay. Because sorry, I forgotten because your face looking like in a different way. I don't know. Okay, sorry, not an issue. Okay, shall we move to the inclusive? This is very, very important. Now we'll go for the inclusive. Okay, now I'm showing to share my screen. Okay, Varsha, I think are you listening here, right?
Yeah, sir. Listening, sir.
Fine, fine. Okay, guys, is it visible? Inclusive method,
Yeah, sir.
is it visible, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine, okay, fine. Now, this is the inclusive method problems, mean, median, and mode. Dear students, just you have to understand here, you have to understand. Oh, someone has started. Okay, fine. In the inclusive method problems, we have to find out the mean, median, and mode under the continuous series. Yes, let us move to the second method, inclusive method. Here, I tell you very, very clearly, before solving the problem, here we have to find out only the inclusive method into the exclusive. That's it, not more than that. Please, who is the scratching, please don't leave it that one, because it's very, very important and 14 marks questions. Okay, please. Okay, fine. Inclusive method problems. Inclusive method problems, mean, median, mode under the continuous series. Again, we are going to solve the continuous series problem. Here, what they have given class interval. This is wages per day, or this is number of wages that is they have given. This is what CI, class interval. Here they have given 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90,
81 to 90.
91 to 100, 100. This is 100 to, it is 101, not 100, sorry. 101 to 110, 111 to 120. Murnama, that is what, 111 to 120. Then frequencies they are given 5, 15, 20, 30, 20, and 8. Okay, this is what. Just you can think it, guys. Okay, we have to find the mean, median, mode under the continuous series only. But the very important is, have they given proper order in the class interval? Absolutely, they have not given proper order in the class interval, because this is in the inclusive method of class interval that we have to convert into the exclusive. In the previous problem, you might have seen that, okay, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, like that, right? I mean, upper limit of the class interval is the same of the lower limit of the class interval in the previous problem. But here, see, the upper limit of the class interval, what is that? 70 is the upper limit of, this is lower, this is upper limit of the class interval is the higher limit of the next lower class limit, next of the lower limit of the class interval. Andre very simple. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ we don't have any problems. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ class interval ಏನು upper value of the class interval is the same of the next class interval, lower limit of the class interval ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 70 ಇದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 70 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 61 to 70 ಇದೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ 71 to 80 ಇದೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ 81 to 90 ಇದೆ, 91 to 100 ಇದೆ, 101 to 110 ಇದೆ, 111 to 120 ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 61 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 70 ಇದೆ, 70 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 61 to 70 and then 71 to 80. ಈ 70 to 80 ಇಲ್ಲ. If it is 70 to 80, 60 to 70, 80 to 90 ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ we don't have any problem. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಥಿಯರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Okay, fine. Another 10 minutes what we have, just I'll complete it, not an issue. So here what we can do, this is the inclusive method. In case if they give inclusive method in the exam, it's a very easy to find out. Need not decide to bother, guys. Just I am here to tell you 61 is there. See what we can do, subtract 0.5 to the lower limit of the class interval. Andre lower limit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 61 ಇದೆ. Add ಅಥವಾ addition 0.5 to the upper limit of the class interval. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 70 ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ add ಮಾಡಿ 0.5 ಅನ್ನ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 70.5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So lower limit subtract ಅಂದ್ರೆ subtract 0.5 to the lower limit of the class interval. ಅಂದ್ರೆ lower limit of the class interval ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 61 ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0.5 ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ upper limit of the class interval ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 0.5 ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡಿ. That's it. It is very, very easy. Once you solve this problem, later you can easily do it. Here, same as it is we have taken. Listen here. Inclusive of the class interval. What they have given, as it is we have taken. Right? inclusive of the class interval. That we have to already I told you that we have to convert into the exclusive of class interval. Exclusive of class interval ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ already I told you lower limit of the cache in lower limit of the class interval 61 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 61 ರಲ್ಲಿ 0.5 ಲೆಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 60.5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 70 I mean add 0.5 to the upper limit of the class interval ಅಂದ್ರೆ 70 ಏನಿದೆ that 70 you have to add 0.5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 70.5 ಬರ್ತದೆ. As it is f ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ that we have to write it as it is. I will show one more. Next one is 71 to 80. 71 what we can do, upper limit of the lower limit of the class interval we have to subtract 0.5. 71 ಇದೆ, if it is minus, if you subtract 0.5 it become a 70.5. Then 80 is there, upper limit of the class interval that we have to add 0.5, that become 80.5. Okay, then as it is 15 marks, I mean 15 is the what is that frequency that you can take it. Okay, for your knowledge point of view again I will show once again, then remaining as it is. Third one is 81 to 90. I already told you lower limit of the class interval we have to subtract 0.5. 81 minus 0.5 is equal to 80.5 minus 90 is the upper limit of the class interval plus 0.5, it become a 90.5. 90.5. Then as it is 20 is the your I mean frequency. Like this
Frequency.
the remaining is so on. As it is you can find lower limit of the class interval you have to subtract 0.5, lower limit of the class interval you have to deduct 0.5, upper limit of the class interval you have to add 0.5. That will become a exclusive of class interval. Of course once you have done, once you convert from inclusive to exclusive, then the very simple f I mean frequency as it is you can take it. Here you can look at here guys, 60.5 to 70.5. I mean upper limit of the first class interval is the same of the lower limit of the next class interval. ಅಂದ್ರೆ upper limit of the class first interval ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು lower limit of the class interval ಇರ್ತದೆ. For example 10 to 20, 10 to 20, then again 20 to 30, again 30 to 40, then 40 to 50. But here if you look at here 61 to 70, but again if it has come, it would have come 70 only, need not necessarily to find out. Keep in your mind here 70 is there, the upper limit of the class interval is next is the higher limit of the class interval. It is not same. Because of that reason we have to convert into the inclusive into the exclusive of class interval. If it is same, they would have given directly 60.5 to 70.5, 70.5 to 80.5, they would have given, no need not necessary to find out the or convert into the exclusive. Of course they have given here inclusive to exclusive. Of course once you find out the all the exclusive of the class interval, then you can take it, you can consider this one only. What you have to consider, you have to consider only this one. Okay, this one you'll forget it because you are already tired guys, already you found this one. Okay, you are so much tired to find out, you forget this one. Okay, mentally you can forget this one. Okay, otherwise I only what I will do now, I only okay, just a minute, I only make it reduce. I think it's not possible visible to see you. Now we can think only exclusive class in interval. That's where is the inclusive andre, it has already gone. Okay, now it is the exclusive of class in the class interval. Then frequency as it is you can take mid value, that is same 60.5 plus 70.5 how much? Okay, then divided by 2, almost 60.5. Then again is this also same, we have to add, then we can divide by 2, that will get the mid value, I mean x value. Okay, here then fx, we want fx value for sorry to find out the mean formula is sigma fx divided by n. So what is the fx value? 9029. Then what is the f, I mean n is equal to 98. Okay, then this cf already we know, we are going to find out this one for to find the median. Okay, find the median, later we'll discuss that one. Mean formula is, okay, what is the mean formula? Mean is equal to x bar minus fx divided by n. X bar is equal to 9029, this is what the value, and 98 is the n value. We got 92.13 is the answer for the mean. Again, median, the formula is n by 2th term. What is the n andre? N is the 98 divided by 2. Andre, almost how much? What is the answer? What is that? We got the 49th term. Look at here. 49th term, I mean, that we have to see 49th term, where it is. 49th term, it is in this one. See, CF we find out. CF, how we found? This is CF, F, 5, that is 5, you can take 5 plus 15, 20, like this, so on. Okay, our 49th is the term that we have to select. After the 49th, which one is there here? This area we have to select. I have been selected this area, okay, because term is 49. That's why here lower limit 90.5, then F is 30, that value you can see here. Okay, L is 90.5, N by 2 is 49 minus CF, as it is, you know, CF you can take it the previous value. Okay, which one is the 49th term? This one is the 49th term. Previous value that we can consider. Yeah, what is that? That is a CF. That CF value you can take it 40, then divided by 2 F frequency in 10. You have to get the answer. Okay, 93.5, almost 94 is the answer. Here 92 point something. Okay, there is no much problem. There is no much differences in that, right? That answer is same. Then let us move to the mode. Mode is the maximum number of the frequency. Just we can look at here, guys. Maximum number of the frequency here, which is that here, where it is 30. 30 is the maximum number of the frequency. Okay, here this is F1, this is F0, this is F2. Okay, that we have to take care. Okay, guys. Okay, this is what lower limit of the 90.5 is the lower limit of the class interval, that we have to understand, because maximum frequency, modal class is equal to maximum frequency, that is 30. Okay, this is what lower limit of the class interval. Then this is F0, this is F2. Anyway, 2020 is there, right? Okay, then we'll go for the mode. Mode is very simple. Maximum frequency L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. You have to take it everything 90.5, whatever that you can take, remaining F1 value 30, that 20, and divided by everything you have to calculate. Then you will get the answer. Okay, 95.5. I mean, almost it is a 96. Okay, almost the 3-4 differences what we have. There is no much differences in that. If you calculate properly, we'll get the answer, guys. So this is one of the very important method. This is also 14 marks. See, nothing to change here. See here, there is no nothing. I mean, new things they have added. Only you have to find out here class interval. Rearrange the class interval. I mean, if it is exclusive method, then you can take it exclusive only. But this is inclusive method they have given. When they have given the inclusive method, that we have to convert into the exclusive. I mean, you have to add for the lower limit of the class interval, that is 0.5, and deduct the lower limit of the class interval 0.5, then add the 0.5 for the upper limit of the class interval. Then upper limit of the first class interval is the same of the next lower lower limit of the class interval that become. Okay, this is one thing what we learned. Okay, guys, I hope and I think you have understood. I stopped the sharing the screen, and time is also, I think, another 40 seconds what we left. I hope all of you must understood the concept.
Yes, sir.
Understood
Yes,
the
sir.
concept, dear students?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood, right?
Yes, sir.